So we want to find the function values for this piecewise function. So f of negative 4 I don't know why it's doing that. Would really like to undo that. F of negative 4 is giving us an x value of negative 4, asking us for the y value. So come over to the graph, and where x is 1, 2, 3, negative 4, we're looking for where that function exists. And that point is up here at that y value of 7. So this point, negative 4 comma 7, is on the graph. So f of negative 4 is 7. For f of 2, if we look where x is 2, we have the open circle on the bottom piece and the closed circle on the top piece. Well, we have to use the closed circle, so that function value is also 7. 2 comma 7 is on the graph. 2 comma negative 5, the point on the bottom function is open, not included, so we don't use it. And then for f of 3, when x is 3, we are using the bottom part of the function. The top part of the function does not exist there, so that value is at negative 6. So f of 3 is negative 6. Now, the domain of this function, the only possible break in the x's would be at 2, and it does get used on the function on the top. I knew that was about to happen. So that domain is negative infinity to positive infinity, or all real numbers. That range does have a gap. If we look, the y values between these two don't get used. So that domain, bottom to top, does start at negative infinity, but it tops out at the vertex, which has a y value of negative 5. Then it starts over again at the vertex of the other function, which is at negative 2. And from there, it does go up to positive infinity. Now, intervals of increase versus decrease. When that function first starts on the far left, it goes down. So that is a decrease from negative infinity to the x-coordinate of that vertex, which was negative 1. Then it increases for the rest of that piece. So it will increase from negative 1 to positive 2, where that piece ends. Then when we start with the other piece, we decrease again. So that would be a decreasing interval from positive 2 out to infinity. Okay. Part C coming soon.